Without skills and with almost $0, you can reach at least $500 to $1,000 next month. It is not affiliate marketing, it is not drop shipping or e-commerce, it's not selling courses, it's not Google AdSense or monetizing with ads. It's simply following the 5 steps I will share with you right now. And this is exactly what helped me earn an extra $1,000 per month. Step number 1 is to install a plugin called WooCommerce inside WordPress. Oh, in case you are new here, a couple of months ago I started a new series about building an online business from scratch, and I built this website with you, embounds.com. But don't worry, you can follow up with us a couple of minutes, understand the idea and implement it later. So step 1, install WooCommerce. Step number 2 is to add a product inside WooCommerce. Let's see how. Simply go to products and add a new product. In our case, we are not going to sell any physical products. We are going to sell a service. So as an example, I will sell a service to create a video advertisement for people. Please follow up. You understand everything in a little bit. Then you need to add a description. So just write any description here about the service you want to sell. Then go down here and make sure to check this virtual checkbox because it's a service. We are not selling a product, a real product. Then add the price. Let's say we want to sell this for $79 and the sale price is $59, let's say. And then we need to add a product image. The easiest way is to go here to canva.com and create a product image. Just create here, select YouTube thumbnail if you want. The size will fit, I think. Go here to elements, search for something related to the service you want to sell. Let's say video editing like this, and add a background, whatever. Just create an image and then download, and make sure to compress this PNG file and download it. Now in my case, I created this simple image to save some time. Here we are, it's super simple. Then let's go back here and select the product image, upload file, select desktop, and here we are, the video ad, and set product image. Very nice. Publish. Let's open the product page. And here we are selling this service on our website now. So we started selling services on our website. I know now you are saying, I don't know how to create video ads or services, and the video is about making money with no skills. I know, please some patience. Step number 3 is to add a payment method. When someone buys the product, clicks here on add to cart, and they want to buy, you need to get paid. So you need a payment method. If you go back here to WooCommerce settings, you will find the payments section. Here you can enable and add payment methods. What's nice that WooCommerce now has their own payment gateway. You can sign up to accept credit cards and so on. But anyway, in case in your country this is not allowed, you can use Stripe, you can use PayPal. But in case all these methods are not allowed in your country, don't worry. You can go here to this link. In the extension stores for WooCommerce, you will find 79 extensions for payments. As an example, let's say you are in India, you can find, I think, Razorpay. Yes, Razorpay, I think, works perfectly in India. So please don't give an excuse. Simply go here and find the perfect payment solution that works with you in your country and add it to WooCommerce to accept payments. We have a lot, pick one and start. Step number 4. Okay, what now? We have a shop on our website and we are selling this service, but we don't know how to do this service, how we are going to sell it, for whom we are going to sell it. Simply, in this video, we are talking about drop servicing. What is drop servicing? It's simply reselling a service. You sell something and a freelancer will do the job. So now in step number 4, you are going to find someone that will do this for you. you. So you have two options. You can go to websites like freelancer.com, upwork.com, people per hour, or any freelancing website and find someone professional who can do these services. Of course, you are not obliged to use video ad. It's just an example. We have hundreds of services that you can offer, and you don't need to do anything by yourself. You just need to hire someone when you get a client, and you will see how to get a client in a little bit. So you build the shop, you hire someone to do the service, and you will earn a portion of the revenue. It is that simple. The second option is to find maybe a friend of yours, like in my case, one of my friends in the team, do all the services on H-Educate, and we split the revenue 50-50. In my case, I'm responsible for the promotion and he's responsible for doing the services. Let me show you this in my back end. If we go to analytics, overview, you can see till today, this month, we made $725. Last month, we made around $948. So you can see it's an extra $1,000 per month drop servicing in my case. I split this revenue with my friend, and this is exactly drop servicing. I believe if you understood these couple of minutes I explained right now, you saved a lot of time and money, maybe buying a full 8 hours course on drop servicing. This is more than enough. Yes, we still have one thing, which is promotion. How to get clients to buy this service from our website. But before I tell you how, please, if you feel you got some benefit, you learned something in this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Step number 5, how to get our first client to buy this service. And I think this is the most important step here. Everything before was technical, it's somehow easy. Now we need to promote and get our first clients. How? We have two methods. The free traffic method and the paid Google Ads method. The free method maybe requires some more time, a couple of months maybe, sometimes a couple of weeks. And the paid method with Google Ads may work in less than 1 week. You can start getting your first client. So it's up to you. Free traffic, you can go here to my mastery course, totally free. Paid Google Ads, you can go here and watch my Google Ads free course. Everything is free. Pick one and start. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you on the forum. See you later.